Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be making a beautiful hairstyle for a baby girl. If you're a new subscriber on this channel, I do protective hairstyle for kids and I do a lot of beauty DIYs, so please take a second and subscribe so we can be family, okay? I started by parting the hair from ear to ear in such a way that the portion at the back is very small. Then I went ahead and I started braiding it, and this is how I attach my attachment. I'll divide the extension into two, then I'll grab the hair, place the extension on top of the hair, then use one of the extension and wrap the hair. This is the easiest method any beginner can use to braid a hair. This method is very easy, and the one good thing about it is that you can even use it on a hair that is very short, and believe me, it will last very well. So after braiding the back, we'll move over to the front, and to make the front, I'll part the hair. I'll part small portion of hair in the front. So this is what I have after parting the hair. Now I'll go ahead and section the hair into small portion. After that, I will use my thread and tie the hair. You can use rubber to do this part, okay, but I always prefer to use thread. Then after that, I will cut off the excess thread. Now I'm going to attach extension to it using my crochet pin. I will attach extension to it. The reason is because her hair is not that really long, but if your hair is so long, you don't need to attach extension to it. After that, I will use rubber band to cover the root of the extension so that it won't be obvious that I added extension. Then that's what I'll continue doing. I'll continue to part the hair into small portions, then tie it with thread, then cut off the excess thread, then I'll portion another one and tie it with thread. That's what I will do until I am done with all the hair. So this is it. I'm done tying the small portions of the hair with a thread. Now I will go ahead and join all of them together. To do that, I will braid a little, the one in the front, then I will join it to the one behind it. Once I join it, I will use rubber band to hold it. Then I will braid it a little again. After holding it with rubber band, then I will go ahead and braid it a little. Once that is done, I will join it to the one behind it again and hold it with rubber band. That's what I'll continue to do until I'm done with the hair. So now I'm done with the hair. So we'll move over to the two portions I have. And to do that, section the hair, then you start cornrowing. If you don't know how to do feeding cornrow, you can do the normal cornrow. So after cornrowing this side, we'll move over to the next side and we'll do the same thing that we did on the other side to this side. now we are done making the hair, guys, and this is what it looks like. For the tips, I'll be adding beads to the tips. If you like, you can coil the tips, but I'll be adding beads to the tips, and this is how I do that. I will use my crochet pin and I will insert all the beads into the crochet pin for it to be easy for me to pass through the extension. Then I'll grab the extension, and with the crochet pin I will take the extension, then I'll push in all the beads that I have in the crochet pin. This is it. This is the easiest way to add these beads to the hair. So now I'm done adding the beads to the hair. The next thing to do here is to apply hot water. I always say this: if your child cannot stay quiet, please skip this method, okay? Skip this method. It doesn't add much thing to the hair. It's just for the extension to relax. So now we are done making the hair. Look at our hair now. Look at this beautiful hairstyle. Come on, guys, don't fail to give this video a thumbs up, comment and share this video, please. We are begging you, don't fail to give this video a thumbs up, please. So guys, also remember to subscribe and like this video, okay? I will see you all in my next video. Bye.